was in the Isle of Patmos. He was given up, lost out of civilization, left for death. But when he heard the sound, something happened. He was carried into the realm. And the first thing he saw was the Christ. A man that civilization had rejected. He was cast away into the Isles of Patmos. The only destiny that was left for him in the Isle of Patmos was death. A slow kind of death. Because church history made us understand that they tied him to a chariot. They drew him around the city. He could not die. They threw him into boiling oil. He could not die. So the intelligence that was behind the casting away into the Isle of Patmos was to separate him from civilization, so that he would die slowly in hunger, in pain, and in penury. But while he was in the Isle of Patmos, he said, I was in the spirit. The man understood the technology of life. It didn't matter what was happening around him. He said, I was in the spirit on the Lord's day. And the only way that heaven could extend an invitation to him was through a sound. He heard a sound as of a mighty trumpet, and he was carried. Suddenly, even the very writings of John, he said, anyone that reads this writing is blessed. Because he was talking from heaven. He was talking from heaven.